Alright, we're back out here at the Hollywood Park site next to SoFi Stadium. You see some scaffolding has gone up here around these concrete little slab walls, and some guys working on some metal framing. We'll take a look at that. Sign there, you see some sheathing covering up some of this framing. Prairie Avenue now. So I'll be curious to see how this further develops in the coming weeks or so. From about to this point, the scaffolding ends. Maybe they've got a little bit more to go here to install towards the end of all this concrete walling. Alright, making our way from the retail and restaurant district, working our way up to the residential portion of the Hollywood Park development. Oh, they finally turned this sign to closed. It used to always say open for the longest time. Really. So this development is rather, you know, kind of in line with the LAX arrivals passing through here, so could possibly be a little bit of jet noise if you are out in your balcony, as well as this noise over here to the left on Prairie, which can get a little bit congested at times. Looks like they still got a ways to go to this driveway area that you'll be able to park into one of these parking garages. Still looks rather rough. See some more lumber being hoisted. Actually, that looks like a box. If I take a zoom in closer, yeah. Can't wait to see these things start getting covered up with sheathing and then a final exterior. And anxious to see how it's going to turn out. Hopefully by the summer, maybe we'll get a better idea of what this community is going to look like. I see a guy working inside there where I would think the parking garage for the residential will be underground. Whoa. Hardy Street, one of the driveways here, or presumably you either can pull in here to get to your residence or to park over at SoFi Stadium. So this would be a sweet spot to have a residence where you have a view of the stadium, and I don't know, depending on the elevation up there, I don't know, maybe you could see from downtown LA from the rooftop, I don't know. This metro bus station has been smashed for I don't know how many months. I mean, not a good look. Should probably get this fixed, I would imagine. Parking garage still looks the same. Not really sure what these metallic objects are gonna eventually look like, finalized. It's been this way for months. And over at the NFL building, it's like they're still working on things. So I believe this is the lobby entering. Looking at some of the landscaping, look at all this rosemary coming along. It is a heat-loving plant. And another glimpse of some more. So next month on May 8th, it's going to be a kind of a benefit awareness concert called Vax Live, hosted by Selena Gomez. Don't really care about her, but there's going to be some other performers like J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez, Eddie Vedder from Pearl Jam, the Foo Fighters, and J Balvin, don't know that one, or her, H-E-R. So this is some sort of a, I don't know about benefit, but more like an awareness for the vaccine globally. It's going to be televised on several different media outlets, I think like Fox, CBS, ABC, YouTube TV, iHeartRadio. So, boy, I wish it was an event where you could get tickets. I would love to go to that. But I'm sure it's going to be fanless, but you can watch at home and see another side to SoFi instead of what we saw last season as far as NFL games. But so to see a musical concert would be awesome to see in person here, but I guess on TV it may be pretty watchable as well. Look at that, there's cactus. not just Allegiant Stadium has cactus, so does SoFi. It's technically, you know, California, at least Southern California, is kind of a desert. Yeah, that makes me happy. Beautiful landscaping. Let's go. Look at that, across the street from SoFi Stadium, the vaccine lines are packed. Oh, there's a bolt up sign there. So I know that Rams had their season ticket holders come into the stadium and experience where their seats are and the whole little show. Walking through SoFi Stadium, the gift shops and all that stuff. I'm not familiar with the LA Chargers, if they've got the same kind of deal coming up with their season tickets holders. Do they have season ticket holders? Yeah, I guess they have a few, but so I'm guessing they'll probably have some sort of similar event. Yeah, so it looks like they are getting prepared to bolt up. Yeah, we'll see what's happening there. Oh, I like that jersey, the gold pants. Old school look. Like Dan Fouts, Gary Anderson. Remember those guys? That's Austin Eckler there. I've read the LA Dodger Stadium, they're gonna have a section for vaccinated fans, so I wonder if LA Rams, the LA teams are gonna follow suit and have something similar. Oh, I hear the PA.
We have such a unique opportunity in front of us. This could be a brotherhood of players, staff, coaches, fans.
So from here, off of Supreme Court, there's a concert going on. This might be a good spot to hang. Used to be a laundromat here. Looks like that went out of business and they're doing some kind of renovation on it to make it into something else. But I'm surprised a laundromat can survive here. So I'll have to keep an eye out and see what they will put in here in place of it.